Up for sale, 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 76 Grand Prix Model J, finished in factory colors. As always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. Of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And I'm sure if you watch my videos often, you will remember I just had a silver with black. They kind of painted from this stripe up to the back, top of the car, and the same, design on the back, black. That was a bucket seat car. This is just a cream puff original. Factory colors, not molested, new vinyl top, original interior. The only thing is it's a bench seat car, which is kind of uncommon to see, of course. I'll just show you that real quick. And it's got the power front seat, power windows. I believe the black and silver one was manual windows, and I could be wrong. Manual windows and a bucket seat and console. But anyway, but I love the colors on this, and I've seen a couple in this color. Aside from the rambling on and on, it's got the original bumper in the front, which when you get up on it, you see a little bit of water stains on it, but it's a nice front bumper for being original and almost 50 years old. Am I doing my math right? I think I am, 48 years old. The rubber in the front, same thing, got the little water stains, but it's nice. It's not beat up, it's not chewed up. The fitment of the car all the way around is how you want to see it. This front, this way this hood lines up here. Bezels, this, again, the same front over there. The way the hood lines up when you look down. I love the little pinstripes on the hood as well. Trying to think what else here. It's powered by its original 350. Turbo 400 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC. Again, I said it has power seat and power windows, and I'm almost positive tilt steering column. Yeah, it does. Look at the windshield on this car. It's supposed to be 60,000 miles. Actually, it's 59 something. By looking at the interior, how solid the underneath is, cleanliness, and the engine bay, extreme cleanliness in the trunk, it definitely makes sense. But let me go ahead and I want to pop the hood. Oh, and for whatever reason, I've seen it a couple times recently. You might make it out. You see like this, for example, like a little, it looks like a water stain on the paint. I tried to buff it and I couldn't get a lot out. They're in some areas you can make out on like the tops, not really the side. And again, I'm no master buffer wet sander, so of course I'm limited in what I can do. I did just have it on a 4-door 64 Chevy, but let's pop the hood here. If you see here, the wood grain, the dash pad, steering wheel, that's all beautiful. Even the door panels, look at that. Weather stripping, door edges, it's got the original tag still in place there. Just go ahead, I want to put my phone down. Oh wait, you should be able to. Yeah, I got it. Sometimes it pops up good, and you can just grab it. Original 350 AC, which looks like, with this tag on there, newer compressor, so that's always a bonus. Power steering, power brakes, master cylinder, of course, for the power front disc brakes. And very clean in here. A little bit of dust. It was a Texas car for a while, so a little bit of dust that I may have missed, to be honest. But clean there. From what I can see, rather unmolested looking, or as things should be. Your trim tag is in place over there with the factory colors on there. Underhood is really nice. And yeah, so here I want to go in and fire it up for you. Key buzzer works. Oh, I didn't kick it down. Give me a second. I'll let you guys hear it a little smoother than it is. Yeah, just a little tap. Oh yeah, now you'll hear it. Super smooth. And that key buzzer, I'm definitely going to pull out. So, of course. Oh, and I love the white walls with the rally too. Same look that was on the other one. Just belongs on the car. So you can see here how nice it is. What is this, a little... Oh no, that came off. Okay. Get a little closer here. And there doesn't appear to be too many blemishes on the car, excuse me. I do see there's a little chip there, a little one there, and a little touch up on that edge. But the door edge to the rocker, 0 chips. And look how nice that fitment is there. This is what you want to see. Again, I showed you, well, there's the VIN, but no cracks in the dash pad. Window trim is nice. This window trim is super nice as well. And look how nice this door is. You got that little protective guard on there. Fits up the way it should. And again, I did say, new vinyl top. Of course, no bubbles on it. No cracks in any of the glass. Windows go up and down as they should. And again, I kind of showed you this, but here's your original tag, and just look how nice and clean this is in here. You know, no Bondo, no nothing like that. 0 rust in the door edges. And again, this door panel for original, just mint. And then you get in here and you can see, because of course it did receive a repaint, how nice the finish is in here all the way around there as well. And then here's the seat moving. So of course I am going to push it back because I just evened it out for pictures. That's it. Okay, good. Again, steering wheel, super nice, no cracks in it. The wood grain on the dash is pristine. They did put an aftermarket radio in, so it has 2 tastefully put in speakers in the back on the package tray. That looks to be new. And your headliner. Ooh, headliner is original. And this has to be original. Look at that. Let's look at this guy here. Original Pontiac mirror. That's cool. Headliner is pristine. Working dome light. I guess you'll call it your sail panels. Those are fantastic. Push this seat forward here. Back seat is mint. Back seat door panels are mint. And then you see the package tray. Again, nicely put in speakers. Underneath the car, original floors, original inner rockers, inner quarters with the drain plugs in place, no rust. No bubbling here either. This lines up nice, I just see a couple imperfections, literally the same exact spot on the black one right there. And again, you can see a couple of those, yeah, you see a couple of those little like water stains there. Trunk lid lines up perfectly. And again, original back bumper, which is interesting because the top is a little more, the bottom's a little more worn than the top of the bumper. And when I see that, that just tells me that, you know, of course the moisture is on the ground, so it chews away at that first. It's always something you see. Just, and you notice these things the more cars you come across, similarities in how they were maintained, where they were kept over the years. Right key, yeah. Wait till you see this trunk. Well, first off, your spare tools, jack, tire iron, this tool, or this to keep the spare tire down. Hey, how's it going? Again, original spatter paint from the factory. There you go. All original in there. All original in there. So I made sure to take a couple pictures of the trunk so you can really see, you know, original spatter paint even on this. Come back in this way. Still there. Original. Look how tidy the wiring is. And I can't, because this very well could be the original trunk mat, because it's kind of stuck to it. I don't want to say for sure, but underneath it is that, and it's just pristine. Can you see a little bit more there? Yeah, pristine. Look how nice there from what you could see. Can I lift this? No, this is glued down. I don't want to peel it up just in case, but if you could make that out. So this trunk pan is just phenomenal. And obviously the weather stripping has done its job over the years. And look how nice this finish is in here. Look at that stamping for the original quarter. That's a really nice stamping for the quarter. Original trunk, still got the original jacking instructions in there. You know, nothing here, zero. And it's got the power trunk release. Let me see. If I had to guess, it probably doesn't work. No, it's okay. That's why we got keys. But you've seen that. Here's this side of the vinyl top again. So I guess just a little hairline crack right there. A little one there. I mean, that's no big deal. But again, rest of it's nice, zero bubbles on it. And again, all this lines up the way it should. Lines up the way it should. And now the only real, which I don't even see right now, the only real flaw in the paint, which I know was in the clear, if you can see it, there's some runs from about here to here, but that's definitely the clear. So I know if you wet sand it and buff that will definitely, with some effort, come out. Can you even see that? It's really hard to see. And again, it's low, so from here you don't see it. Again, really nice in here. Door panel just as nice as the driver's side, of course. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 76 Grand Prix Model J, finished in factory colors. 350 turbo 400 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, power windows, air conditioning if I didn't already say it, tilt steering column. And there is supposed to be some original paperwork. That's why I haven't talked about it. I didn't get it, so I reached out to the owner to see if he has it still or forgot about it or something. So I can't guarantee that I have it. If I do, I'll show a picture and update it. Little mark right there. So thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Wow. I wanted to show how fast it goes.
You know what's funny? These cars didn't run this good in '76.
Yeah. Wow.
Right?
Yeah. I think this is you. You should sell your cars and keep this.
I should.
You'd never run out of gas.
I know.
You'd be reliable. They start every time.
Full tank.
Yeah. Oh, full tank will siphon some out.
He's getting a 16th of it.
I was looking at that guy. I'm like, why does he look familiar? I was like, oh, that's how the feds all look.
You never used it?
No, I don't have friends.
Wesley.
Oh, yeah, because he wants to get shot with a paintball. He'll cry.
Tony.
He'll cry.
He could have got all the Nedras.
They'll all cry.
Jeremy.
They'll all cry.
Mike Clefettis. The guy with the
Oh, stop.
I think he's gone, right?
He passed away, yeah.
Yeah, he's on the way out. Nani.
Oh, yeah.
All the Clarendale people. I wonder when they're going to leave.
I don't know. But the funny thing is, oh, that was a nice looking lady. The funny thing is, that guy walking in and out, he looked like a Fed.
Yeah,
he looks like a Fed, yeah. He probably went up there and they all looked at him. Oh, okay, I'll leave you alone.
I'm going to back it in front.